Anthony from Gears Racing. Today I'm going to show you how to properly set up your FFC250 T and TT model front fork cartridge. I'm going to show it to you on this Yamaha TZR250. First of all, take out your owner's manual provided by Gears. It will show you all the base settings on the back of the manual. Then we're gonna have a look at the rebound and compression side. The rebound controls the speed of the fork coming back up. Compression controls the speed of the fork that goes down. Now we're gonna find the base setting on the rebound side. The base setting that's recommended by Gears is 10 clicks in, which is 10 clicks clockwise. On the compression side, it's 0 clicks, so that's all the way anti-clockwise. Both rebound and compression has 24 clicks of adjustments that you can do. Any questions on how to set up the 250S or T or TT model kits? Shoot us a question on the comments below. If you like this video, like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.